guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess if you're new, and today we are going to be doing another wash and go, but this time we're going to be using the Xtreme Wetline Gel. And just to state some facts about the gel is that it has aloe vera in it, and I think that plays like a key component into this gel just being what it is. So this will be my first time ever trying this gel out, so this is also just like a first impressions on this gel, and the gel was relatively pretty cheap. So yeah, you can find this in your local beauty supply store. This is what it looks like. I know this isn't anything new to you guys. This gel isn't new or anything like that. I'm just late, of course. I'm late to the party, but I still wanted to give it a try because, you know, I'm trying to do more wash and goes, more hairstyles with my natural hair out. So I figured, why not? So I just want to also say to you guys to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to basically let me know if you like these types of videos. I need your interaction. I need you to be commenting. I need you to be liking, please. Thank you. It's always appreciated. So we're not gonna do any more talking, and we're just gonna get straight into the video. All right guys, so this is my second wash and go. So as I stated in the beginning of the video, we are going to be using the Wetline Xtreme Gel. And this is the first time I'm using this gel because I've seen multiple wash and goes with people using this gel and their hair came out beautiful. So I said, why not give it a try, because I'm trying to do more wash and goes on my hair. I'm trying to do more natural hairstyles. So I figured, why not? So let's just read some of the facts that's on here. It says that it has aloe vera in it, no residues. It's alcohol free with UV filter. So it says extra hold for 24 hours. It's supposed to be maximum hold, and I didn't get the big one because I said if I don't like it, it's no reason for me to have the big one. And I'm just going to be doing my wash and go the same as I did my first one. So my hair is freshly washed and it is damp right now. Also, I just have my spray bottle here and it just has lukewarm water in it. We are going to work in the front so you guys can basically see what I'm doing. I'm really excited about this, mainly because I had my hair in twists for 3 weeks. So I kind of miss seeing my real hair. And please don't mind my face. I don't know why I haven't been into doing my makeup lately. We are gonna start with a small piece. I wish I had my clip. I don't know where I put it. We're gonna start with a small section and take a generous amount of the Xtreme Gel. The consistency feels sort of sticky. So let's get closer. You guys see? Okay. First impressions, I like how it feels on my hair. It doesn't feel like it's going to dry out my hair or flake my hair up. And also, ooh, wow. Also, what I like about it, it doesn't leave like a white cast, a white residue. Wow, look at my girl. Sorry, I'm being so extra right now, but my curls are really popping. Wow, I'm curly hair girl. But honestly, my hair feels great. We're gonna do that again, and I'm hoping when my hair dries it doesn't leave like a white cast on it. I detangled my hair before this, but I got 4C hair. So one thing I'm gonna be looking out for is if it gives my hair like really crazy shrinkage, because I know when I used the Eco Styler gel, the shrinkage was like crazy. So this time I'm really gonna take a generous amount because I'm taking a larger section. I know y'all probably want to see what the girl doing. Initially, I was going to use the curl enhancing smoothie and this gel, but I just wanted to see how the gel worked by itself first before I did that, because I know some people use like leave-in conditioners or some type of styling cream when they do their wash and goes and use a gel as well. But I figured let me just give this gel a try on its own first. And I just hope you guys are out there being safe, taking the necessary precautions, washing your hands, practicing social distancing, also using disinfectant spray. And let me see the smell. Let's see, it has a oddly satisfying smell to it. I don't know how to explain it, but I like it. It kind of gives me like a slight scent. I don't want to say perfumey, but perfumey. And I like how it has my curls looking. It's not like giving me a white cast or anything like that. Alright, so I'm going to do the side now. Honestly, someone's probably like, girl, why don't you just work in bigger sections? Sweetie, that's not how 4C hair is set up. You gotta work in small sections. Honestly, can't wait to get a camera so the quality of my videos can be better. But I'll get a camera one day. One of these days. I'm sorry guys, I know y'all probably like, girl, we didn't come here to hear you talk about this. I know I'm rambling, but I just feel so weird just sitting here and not talking about anything. I'm sure you guys are probably watching this video because you want to hear about hair content, but I just be thinking about whatever comes to mind. So I'm hoping you guys are like seeing how nice this is coming out. I'm really happy that it's not leaving a white look to it. It's making my curls look very juicy. I'm assuming that has something to do with the aloe vera. All right, so this is what it's looking like in the front of my hair. My curls look very defined, very juicy. And I'm honestly thinking it's because of the aloe vera that's in this product. So what I'm gonna do is just do the rest of my hair off camera and then come back and tell you how I feel about the gel. All right, I know I said I'll see you guys once I'm finished, but since my hair is longer in the back, I figured why not show you guys this. All right, so this is my hair without the gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap that gel on there. Generous amount. I swear my hair be looking way shorter than it is. Alright, do you guys see that? Wait till I let it drop. Beautiful. Let me do that again. One more time for the people in the back. Look at my girl. That's popping. Alright guys, we are finished with our hair. I just went off camera to do my makeup, so some of my hair dried just a tad bit, not a lot. So let me just get in close so you guys can see how my curls are looking. And I just put some bobby pins right here and swoop my hair back because I'm still trying to figure out how to style my hair. So I'm gonna turn around for you guys. I hope you guys can see that. If you can tell by my smile, I love it. All right guys, so that is it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell so you can get notified of when I post new videos. Yeah, this is it. All right, bye guys.